टुडे इज ऑल्सो गुरु पूर्णिमा। तो ये जो पूर्णिमा या इस टाइप के जो ऑस्पिशियस स्टेट्स होते हैं, दीज आर बेसिकली मेंट टू एलिवेट द वाइब्रेशंस एंड द थीम ऑफ ह्यूमन एनर्जी। तो यहाँ पे पूर्णिमा is meant to release what is keeping you stuck and come out of those patterns. It is also proven that 70% of the human body is water, and the moon energy is influencing water in every way. So, wherever you stay low or you stay high in terms of your thoughts and vibrations, दोनों ही चीज़ें ज़्यादा reciprocate होती हैं. And that is exactly why people in the ancient times used to fast for Ekadashi, because it exactly comes 3 days before Amavasya and Purnima. So if you are eating more sattvic food on Ekadashi, it is for our benefit to be in control of our mind and stay in more equilibrium state of thinking. तो सारा scientifically proven है, but let's not go there. All I want to bring to you is three sense of manifestation rituals that you can do today. Number one, you can do a fire element ritual where you can list down everything that is bothering you today, yesterday, this week, this month, whatever is your top problem statement, write it down on a paper and just burn it. And, give it a surrender to the fire element. द सेकेंड इज द एयर एलिमेंट. एयर एलिमेंट में आपको बैठना है और ब्रीद इन करना है. Whatever you want to think and want to bring clarity, like you have to connect with your breath for 21 times, slow breath, bring the clarity and bring your thoughts in terms of what exactly do you want in your life. क्योंकि बहुत सारा एक्सेस थिंकिंग हम करते हैं, we really don't know whether this is important and this is what we want at this moment or not. Once you have the clarity, then the third thing is you start writing it down. That is the water technique. You write it down on a paper and then you can keep it in a bottle or stuck it on a glass bottle, and then the next morning you can drink it. Now this, what you're writing is your desires, your goals, and then you can keep this glass bottle in the moonlight today so that it gets charged and your manifestation starts appearing to you more easily. I hope I can make a clear video. मुझे लगा कि मैं आपको सारा details दे पाई हूँ, but if I couldn't, DM me, I'll share more details over WhatsApp with you.